Hey folks, it's Russ. Today is Wednesday, April 9th, 2025. I hope you're having a great day. You want to perform at your highest level daily? Well, that's what I'm going to talk about in this video. Peak performance. But before I get started, if you've never seen any of my videos before, again, my name is Russ. I've been involved in the work from home space for the last 18 plus years. I've been fortunate enough to be working full-time for myself since 2018. And I am truly passionate about helping people generate mailbox money using both social media and direct mail marketing. So, peak performance. This is what you need to be doing every single day, operating at your highest level in order to achieve all the goals that you have. Okay, and I'm talking about, not just getting a simple task done. I'm talking about elevating your game, leveling up, and taking your life to the next level, okay? Because most people, they're not willing to do any work to better themselves. They just settle for whatever it is they have, whatever life they live, and they think that that's it. Like, this is just how my life's supposed to be, so I'm just going to settle for what I have and be thankful for what I have. High performance people, they achieve their top goals, and then they set new goals, and they achieve those goals, and then they set new goals, and they're continuously leveling up. All right? Whether it be business goals, family goals, physical goals, whatever it is, they're constantly leveling up. Okay? And that's what you want to be doing. You want to be consistently operating at your best every single day, and that includes your mind, your body, whatever goals it is that you're setting. You want to be at your best. And I have a lot to work on. This is what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to level up my game every single day. All right, and right now, my biggest problem is food addiction. Because I've kicked out the drugs and alcohol. I no longer partake in any drugs or any alcohol, and that's including marijuana. I don't smoke marijuana anymore. I smoked marijuana for almost daily for 25 years. Aside from giving up alcohol, it's the next best thing I've ever done for my body, is quitting the marijuana. Okay? Because I was just using it to hide behind, not wanting to face all the pain that I had to deal with. You have to deal with this stuff in life. You have to deal with all the bad shit that you've been dealt with in your life. You have to do it. You cannot hide behind drugs and alcohol. If you're going to level up your game, you have to step out of that box with the alcohol and the drugs. Okay? And I'm not here to lecture anybody. I'm still pro marijuana. I know that there's a lot of great benefits for people who really need it. I didn't really need it, though. It was a crutch for me. Okay, so I'm not here to preach what people should do, or you're a horrible person if you smoke marijuana or consume it in any way. That's not what I'm doing. I'm just saying that if you want to level up your games, you got to deal with all the stuff that you've been thrown in life, good and bad. Face it, get rid of it, handle it however you need to handle it, and then crush your goals that you have. That's what you need to do in order to level up. It's not easy, right? And the thing that I'm challenged with right now is food. I'll do really well. I'll go on, a good diet. I've been eating vegan food. I've been eating a vegan diet for 5 or 6 years now. And in the beginning, I was doing really, really good with it. I lost, 25 pounds. I felt really good. But then as time goes on, every company now is making vegan stuff. So there's good vegan if you're eating, fruits and vegetables. And then there's the processed vegan, which is like probably worse than eating, regular meat. But so right now, that's what I'm dealing with. I got to level up my game with my diet so that in turn I can level up my physical well-being, which helps your mental well-being. But the biggest thing that you want to do, or the three pillars, the three keys to peak performance, you want to have clarity. Okay? You want to know what you want and focus on what it is that you want. All right? So for me, I'm trying to build generational wealth so that when I'm no longer here, my family's going to be taken care of. My daughters, their families are going to be taken care of. And that's what I want. That's what I want to leave a legacy. And I really don't even care about the word legacy. I just want to be able to know that when I'm no longer here, my family and my children are going to be taken care of. And my grandchildren. Okay? My future grandchildren. That they're going to be taken care of. That's what I want. That's what I'm working towards. That's my goal. That's my why. All right? That's why I show up every single day and make content, even when I don't want to. All right? So you have to have clear goals. Then you have to put those goals into action. You know, you got to take small, actionable steps every day to achieve those goals. But the biggest thing is you want to know what it is that you're, you know, what you're striving for, what you're working for, what you're working towards. All right, what your focus should be. Then the next key to peak performance is your energy levels, right? You want to be feeding your mind with healthy, positive things, not the news, not politics, not drama, not any of that BS. Healthy things, positive things, self-developmental things. Okay, there's a lot of good things in this world. Lots of beautiful things. Focus on the good things. Feed your mind positive, healthy things. You want to get proper rest. Okay? You want to sleep. You want to get proper rest. 8 hours a day, 8 hours a night. Proper sleep. You want to exercise. All these things contribute to a healthy body, healthy mind, and a healthy soul. All right, and they'll give you good energy levels. You need good energy levels if you're going to perform at high levels, right? You can't go be at your best when you're tired all the time. Okay? And you want to have, finally, you want to have the proper mindset. You want to have the proper mindset. You want to be able to be disciplined. All right, so that whatever goals you're setting, you're taking action every single day to crush those goals. You want to be resilient. You want to be able to, you know, deal with the adversity that comes with having a business, being your own boss. You want to be able to get through the tough times and snap back quickly. So all those three things, you know, clarity, energy, and mindset are all very important when it comes to operating at your best, highest levels. Okay? So basically what I do every day, I wake up in the morning. The first thing I do is I thank God for another day. All right? If you don't believe in God, or if you believe in a higher power, whatever it is you believe in, just be thankful that you have another day. All right? So that's the first thing that I do. Then I always try to do a little stretching. You know, just to wake up a little bit, stretch a little bit, and then I try to read something. You know, even if I only have 10 minutes in the morning, I try to read something every single day. And I try to have it be, you know, I love reading, you know, biographies, personal development books, anything positive, really. And even if you can only read 10 or 15 minutes a morning, read 10 or 15 minutes a morning. Then I go and I start doing my marketing things. I have a daily affirmation that I say. Okay? And I say that before I start my work day. And then I do whatever it is that I'm working on for the day. I run errands. Like right now it's 10:50. I'm running errands. I'm going to the post office. Okay? I got a bunch of these letters. I got stacks of these that are going out in the mail. I got to stop at the soap shop. I usually stop in at the soap shop to make sure everything's going well there. And then I continue my day, you know, whatever it might be. Some days we have things that we go and do with our family. Other days, Tina and I just do things together. Some days I go back and I mark it, whatever it is. But I always try to be conscious of, I always try to just have it in my head that I'm trying to be the best version of myself that I can possibly be. All right. So that is what you want to do. You want to just set simple daily tasks that you can do each and every day that will help build your business and help you become a better person. Because if you do something for 30 days in a row, it's going to become a habit for you. All right. Now I just got to start eating healthy for 30 days in a row. That's my thing. But when you set small daily tasks, they become simple daily habits. And in the long run, that helps you stay on track. It helps you build a routine, and it will help you in the long run on your goal towards, operating at the highest possible level. Okay? So I hope that video makes sense. I hope, you found value in my video. If you did, please consider giving me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and click that notification bell so you're notified each and every time I upload a new video. You can also leave me down in the comment section, what's one habit that you're going to do today differently than you did yesterday that will help you become a better person all around. That'll help you in the long run elevate at your highest level. Let me know down in the comment section. All right? So with that being said, I appreciate you taking the time to watch this. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. And until then, stay well, be safe, and peace be with you. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.